If you have an image with a logo, mark or some text on it that you want to remove, and doing it manually in Photoshop takes forever. In this video, I'm going to show you two completely free tools that can remove any mark, logo or text from any image in just a few seconds. Let's get into it. The first tool is watermarkremover.io. This one removes marks automatically in just a few clicks. Link is in the description. This tool works without logging in, but if you sign up, you get more free credits, so it is worth creating a free account. Click on Upload, select your image and click Open. Now check the Remove Text and Remove Logo boxes. Then click on Remove Watermark from Image. In just a few seconds, it is done. Drag the before and after slider to compare, and as you can see, the result is really clean. No smudging, nothing. Just download your clean image and done. Now if you have used up your free limit on watermarkremover.io or you want more precise control over exactly what gets removed, the second tool is perfect for that. Go to artthinker.com, link is in the description. This tool is completely free forever with no credit limits and gives you full manual control over what you remove. Go to Free Tools and click on Watermark Remover. Click on Add File, then Upload Image, select your image and click Open. Click on Brush and choose your brush size. Now paint over the mark or text you want to remove. You do not have to be precise. Just make sure it is fully covered. Click Remove. In a few seconds, it is done. Your image is completely clean. Click Download to save your clean image to your PC for free. Now tell me in the comments which tool gave you the better results. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.